Hi, I'm Fat Papa. Today let me show you how to make the apple and pear drink for your family. Let us begin. Winter is here. It's cold and dry, so it's now a good time to make some natural, good warm drink for your family and kids. So today I will show you how to make one easy drink. It's good for your family. It's only apple, Asian pear, and some North and South almond. It's only 4 ingredients and water. We don't even add sugar in it. So it's good for your family. So first, let us wash and peel out the skin from the Asian pear and then the apple. You might ask, is that need to be Asian pear? Yes. So the best I like will be the Korean pear. But if you don't, if you can find the China pear, it's fine. But that one is smaller, so probably you need 2 apples and 3 of those. But for the Korean pear, like we usually use 1 to 1. So if you have more people, probably you use 3 apples and then 3 pear. So for me, like we only have 4 people, so we will use 2 apples and 2 pear. After you peel the skin on the apple and then the pear, you also need to wash the North almond and South almond. Just put that in a bowl and then use the water to clean it like you clean the rice. And we do not need the skin and then inside, so now we will cut it to slice, and then we take out the middle, the seed, and then the middle part of the apple and then the pear, and we put it in the bowl, and then we add the North and South almond, and then the water, it will be only cover all those ingredients. That's it. You don't need to be too much, otherwise the taste will not be good and then not sweet enough. If you cannot take almond, like you're allergic to those, you do not need to put it. The reason I put those is at first the almond has some smell. It smell good. Second, North almond, they are bitter. You smell it, it's like some sweet smell. Southern almond, if you cook it, they will taste sweet. So the flavor is from there, and then the sweetness is from the apple and pear. Why I choose these 2 fruits? The reason is they are good when it's dry and cold weather. If you drink the warm drink on those, it will good for your skin, and then for the kid, they will not be feel that dry, and then the skin won't be that dry also. So we usually cook it bi-weekly, so our kid can have some of it. You don't need to have them drink a lot. Drink probably 1 cup, you will be fine. And then like 2-3 weeks later, you have time, you can cook it or cook some other one. I will keep show you more different drink from now on, so you can have like substitute all of those. Those will be good and all natural. See, I don't give any sugar. So first you will need to boil it up, and like I say, the water no need to be a lot. Just cover it, all the ingredients will be fine. After it boil, change to the medium fire, and then you cover the lid and have a little bit gap. If you don't cover it, after 10 minutes the water will be gone. So we cover it up, just have a little bit gap for the air to come out, and then we just leave it there to cook for about 10 minutes. After that, turn off the fire, you cover the whole thing up and then wait it to be the room temperature so you can drink it. Then that's it. You will get the good apple pear drink for your family in this cold weather. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video you won't miss it. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.